In the past few series, we have shown you how to do bottom fishing. Basically, bottom fishing requires bait. Now, we will show you how to catch fish with just using plastic, metal and rubber. There are many types of artificial lures to catch fish without using bait. We will show you the 4 common types of methods. They are jigs, hard lures, poppers and rubber lures. Jigs are made of metal. The material usually lead and nowadays tungsten, so that the jig can sink down to the seabed faster. When you are using artificial lure, the angler plays a more active role in trying to catch the fish rather than just sit there and waiting for the fish to come and take the bait. Now I will show you how to use jigs. First, you lower the jig down all the way to the seabed. That's what I usually like to do, but you can also actually lower it down halfway. So the thing about using jigs is you have to be very sensitive with your fingers, because once the jig touches the seabed, you have to start the jigging action. Otherwise, firstly, your jig might get stuck to the seabed, and also once you start moving, that's the best way to attract the fish to bite. Just imagine when the jig is fluttering down the seabed, and once it touches the seabed and it starts moving, that will entice the fish to attack the jig. So once your jig reaches the bottom, you can start the jigging action. The jigging action can go something like this: short stroke or long stroke, like this. Okay, and you can do it fast for the short stroke like this, or fast for the long stroke like this. So it is depending on the situation that day, on which type of stroke that you are getting the hits on the jig, then you will use that action more often. You can even combine your action together. For example, a few short ones and a few long ones. So it is up to your imagination to try to get a hit on your jig. The advantage of jigging is that we can target fish throughout the water column, because we are jigging all the way from the seabed to the surface. So let's say you get a take at a certain depth. Just take note of the depth, then drop down to that specific depth again, then you can jig. Usually you will get the hit back again. So now let's go and see how the other anglers are doing with their jigs. Woohoo! Desmond, what are you using?
Jigs! Ready, Des?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Screaming drag. Wow, wow, wow. Took at what depth, huh?
Just on the bottom, like first crank up and took the thing.
Hey, go there, go there, go there. Go to the front, go to the front. Careful the anchor rope, divert away from the anchor.
Oh!
What the? Lost through hook, not broke. Okay, it's the same guy again who lost the fish just now.
I may lose this thing.
Oh no, it's going underneath the boat. Shit, shit, shit. This is very bad, because that's where the propeller is. You can see the line is directly going under. Good luck to you, and I think there's a 90% chance you will lose this fish. I think you have to move to the back, move to the back from the other side, Shit. No, cannot. This will be the same situation as me. You'll cut across the propeller, because this depth is propeller depth. You have to pass hands, cross hands. Yes, you have to go underneath and cross hand. Okay, somebody help him now. Oh shit! The line broke because it swam under the boat, right?
Alright.
Okay, now in a split second, we got another take. Okay, this is in the correct direction. Okay, now we are having a frenzy now. One take after another. So, what are you using, by the way?
Maybe the fish got 3 jigs, eh? Two is mine.
它们很有力的这些鱼。
Nice, nice.
5 like a 9 kg dog too. Okay, we can see the fish. Move to the back so that we can land it. All right. Okay. Now, leave up the fish. So, what depth do you catch this fish at? Bottom. When you jig up. What the? Okay, now let's release this.
不要骗人，不要骗人 ，stop it。
真的不是。
Okay, live release. 不用了，不用开了，不要开了。Hey, this angler, what are you using?
Jig. The rest all never kena fish. Jig.
So, do you have any tips to give to our viewers since you've been on fire? What is your tip or trick?
Continue jig. Just jig. Hard work. Perseverance. Most important thing. Never give up.
Oh, golden trevally. Coming up. Small one.
Okay, order the small one. Small goldie.
But still can put out a good fight. He's a good fighter. Whoa. Nice golden trevally. Okay, let's also release it.
Okay. Bye bye.
This is caught on a slim lure. Hard body lure.
Quite very long already. Now.
They follow the plastic bag, huh?
Actually, it's a bao of plastic bag.
Or maybe a seaweed.
Oh, big seaweed.
This drag is set to like 5 grams.
I love the drag.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not counted. Let's cut the line. Traditional, we must cut the line. For Artemis, we don't do farm stuff. We always cut the door.
看了看。
You don't even buy the original pigtail. You use the SW China one. Don't worry. Let go.
没有中啊！
这。OK。
这边好意思啊！哇，那肥！
That's a
哇
big one.
Very good hookup here by the hard lure.
SW tail. Pirated pigtail.
It's very effective as well, though it's not the original one. Okay, let's release this. We had a fruitful day today. Caught many pelagic fish, mostly queenfish and golden trevallies. All the fish caught were released. We had tried all 4 methods, but only jigs and hard lures were effective this time. Mainly because the fish were hunting near the bottom, so only jigs and sinking lures were able to reach the strike zone. The rubber lures were too light and could not sink fast enough, and for the poppers, there were practically no surface action. So these 2 methods will be as effective if the fish were hunting near the surface. We have seen how effective and exciting using artificial lures can be. We can share a tip or 2 with you the next time you come on board. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to like our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Captain Q from Wanderlust Adventures. See you on board.